Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You need to start with Google Maps open and your account signed in. This links the home label to your profile. Once done, tap or click Saved, then choose Labeled. Home will appear if previously set. If you don't see it, press Add a label now. Make sure location services are active so the map can place pins accurately. Without that, addresses and suggested corrections may be off, which is why signing in and enabling GPS matters before changing the home location. Now edit the home label by searching the exact address or dropping a pin on the map. On mobile, long press the location. On desktop, click the desired spot. Once the place card appears, choose Edit Label or Save, pick Home, and confirm. You can drag the pin for pinpoint accuracy and add apartment/unit details in the address field so navigation uses the right entrance. After saving, Maps stores the new coordinates. This is why verifying the pin location matters for turn-by-turn routing. Finish by testing directions to home to confirm the change propagated. Get route guidance and inspect the route origin and destination coordinates. Make sure every device uses the same Google account so the label syncs. Sometimes sync delays occur, so wait a few minutes. If the home location still seems wrong, clear the app cache, sign out and back in, or redrop the pin and save. This resolves most mismatches. If problems persist, check Maps permissions and
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.